This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food containers, specifically these Futura catering containers. These 20-ounce rectangles feature a variety of setups. You have your 2-compartment, single, 3-compartment, and then the 2-compartment wide, which has those bigger spaces in there. They're all made from durable PP plastic, which is BPA free, and they're microwave safe, making them fantastic for reheating foods and leftovers. They're great for packing small meals, snacks, side dishes, and they're great for packaging things like dips and salsas, especially if you want to do something like offer a trio of salsa alongside a platter of chips or nachos. They're great for packing a variety of dips alongside things like crudité or other kinds of platters, and they're also great for packing things like paleo or keto snacks, where you're doing things like nuts, cheese, and protein, and you don't want them necessarily all mixing together. They're going to be fantastic for packing up side dishes, but also things like pickles, olives, or condiments and spreads for things like sandwich platters. And those locking lids that give you that really nice tight seal on these containers are going to be great for preventing messes, but they're clear as well, which means it's going to be easy to identify those foods and really help cut down on mix-ups in your kitchen. They've got a fantastic silver finish to them that really helps to kind of elevate the look of your foods and your presentation, making them perfect for caterers and restaurants and a variety of other food establishments.